We're starting with Bernat Blanket for our Afghan. Now, yes, you probably have used Bernat Blanket before, but they've just released these beautiful new shades. Of course, you can select any colors you'd like. You'll need 5 color choices, and let me show you how the yarn breaks out for what I've selected and how I'll be knitting my blanket at. We're using 2 balls in our main color, and I've chosen Country Blue. And then 2 balls in the contrasting color A. Mine will be dark gray. And for my colors B, C, and D, I have selected the new shades available exclusively at Joann. And that is Aubergine, Dark Teal, and Smoky Green. The knitting needles for our blanket are circular needles, size 11, and you'll want 36 inches in length or longer. We're going to be using 3 total to complete our blanket. Now, weeks 1 through 5, you only need 1 needle. And week 6 is when we need all 3. So you can either get all 3 needles right now, or you can wait until week 6 and get those extra 2 knitting needles at that time. I want to give a big thank you to Joann for partnering with me on this project and sponsoring the announcement in this video. The Stitch Along pillow is knitted up in this new product. It is so cozy and fun to touch. It is Bernat Velvet. It's a bulky weight yarn, and I am going to use this really pretty color called Indigo Velvet, and this is also a shade that is available exclusively at Joann. For the pillow, you'll want to get 2 balls of the Bernat Velvet yarn, and mine here is called Indigo Velvet. Then 1 circular needle, size 7 US, that is 24 inches in length or longer, as well as a pillow form that is 20 inches square. The Stitch Along basket, it is using another new product. It is the Bernat Blanket Extra. And so this is a jumbo yarn. That means that we are also using bigger needles, and this is going to knit up into a really sturdy, cool basket, perfect for your home decor and maybe a place to store some yarn if you're looking for more yarn storage. I'm sure you are. For our basket, we're using Bernat Blanket Extra, and the color I've chosen here is called Velvet Teal, and this is another shade that is available exclusively at Joann. You want 4 double-pointed knitting needles that are size 10.5 US, as well as 2 different sets of circular needles. Those are also 10.5, but there's different lengths. There's a 16-inch length. You'll also want to have 36 inches on hand as well. You'll want to make sure that you also have scissors, some stitch markers, and a little tapestry needle on hand. The textures of all of these cozy Bernat yarns, they have been designed to work together, adding a beautiful depth to your home decor. And the colors, they also are totally complementary with each other, creating a beautiful look to your home. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.